Okay, so we are learning how to do fiberglass work today. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're gonna go through the directions. You guys are gonna follow along in this process, see if I do a good job or fail. Don't try this at home, kids, because I obviously do not know what I'm doing. So here we go. Okay, so we're just gonna repair these side skirts that Angel just got for the 240. As you can see, there's a couple cracks, a couple holes, but we gotta patch those up and get them ready for the 240. Angel laid some fiber sheets down already, somewhat prepped. Fiberglass resin, bad boy. It says prepare, fill, paint. That's already done. Angel already did the sanding. Mixing tip. Here's where it gets interesting. We gotta do measurements, so we got my handy dandy dirty scale right over here. I don't know, it's 30. I tried cleaning it, it did not want to clean, so we here. We're gonna mix resin approximately 8 to 12 minutes at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. How am I gonna check the temperature? I don't know, so we're gonna see how this goes. For every 1 ounce of resin, we're gonna use 10 drops of hardener. Let's try. Oh god, oh jeez. Here we go, pouring it. Oh geez, why does it look like that? Did I mention I'm not a professional? This is like way different than cooking. I already failed. I almost forgot to put gloves on, so I'm gonna put gloves on real fast. These remind me of the Shrek gloves. I'm gonna put this on. Well, I have small hands, so my finger's literally right here. Love that. Okay, so we got 2 ounces, so every 1 ounce we put 10 drops. So that means if we have 2 ounces, we gotta put 20 drops. Oh, dude, I'm freaking genius. Who said I failed math in high school? Maybe I did. It's not open. Shut up. I think it, can you look? Perfect, Angel popped it. So this is all fairly easy if you just follow the directions, and I clearly didn't follow the directions that you gotta pop a hole. So, we're back. 18, 19, 20. Now we gotta mix. So, here we go, we're gonna mix. Oh, the smell is impeccable. I don't think we're supposed to be smelling this, huh? Yep, did not read the directions again. We're not smelling it. So next it says that we're supposed to dab the resin into the fiberglass. Here we go.
You gotta go faster, it's gonna dry.
Oh, okay, got it. So we gotta go faster so it doesn't dry.
Get the corners.
Oh gosh. Yeah, we're not doing this correctly.
Jesus Christ. Here, hold your camera. Hold this, you're fired.
So obviously didn't do it right, so Angel's taking over just in case. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Jeez.
The corners.
I know. Why is it moving?
Jesus fucking Christ, Anna, Jesus Christ.
As you can see, I failed again, so Angel's taking over. It's safe to say that I will not be doing resin work anytime soon until I master it. On another note, I've been looking for these kitchen scissors for the longest time. Angel, what would you like to say?
No, you weren't, because you never found them.
He got a point. Well, that went great. Anyways, Angel fixed it. How'd you think I did?
Awesomely bad.